Ni'n mynd draw i Swyddfa Cymru i weld os ni'n gallu cwrdd â Cheryl Gillen, achos ar hyn o bryd mae'n gwrthod hyd yn oed ateb llythyr ac galwad y ffôn ni. So gan i weld beth nhw'n gweud yn Swyddfa Cymru ynglyn ar pa mor bwysig yw iddyn nhw cwrdd â bobl sy'n poeni am dyfodol y iaith Gymraeg. So gan i weld.
Iawn.
Beth yw'r botwm? Na, mae yna rhywun tu ôl y desg. Ond oes na rhywun tu ôl y desg? Weles i rhywun tu ôl y desg.
Beth dwedodd e?
Hi, sir. Hi. No, I'm just trying to check what's happened to my letter I sent in.
Right, you can bear with me one moment. Let me find from the official side what's happening. No, could you have a word with this gent?
Just come to sent a letter to us on the 20th of May, and we've just come out. It's been to the outside the culture department. We're on our way to meet Kevin Brennan and everybody and Susan and Jones and everything. We sent a letter on the 20th of May to the Wales Office to ask if we could have a meeting with Cheryl Gillen. I just wanted to speak to someone to see if they're happy with that letter. No, I just buzzed and they said they were going to send someone out. That's it.
No, and I'm not going to.
That's right. No, all I wanted to do, we had no intention because we give the first one just a chance to do things outside there. We didn't intend to go and meet three Labour MPs, and all I wanted to do, as we were going past, what I wanted to do was ask what, because I phoned up the movies, so I found the letter.
I don't really like the.
Okay, that's right.
Colin, beth sy'n digwydd?
Yn bod ar ôl cais, bydd nhw'n cysylltu nôl yn fi.
Fel, ti'n modd?
Good talk?
Mae'n anwybodol o'r llythyr ac mae'n byddwn nhw'n cysylltu nôl yn fi yn ynglyn â fe. Hynny yw, ni ddim yn mynd i cael gyfarfod. Na. Bydd protest arall fi'n cymryd yma.
Nes ti cwrdd â Cheryl Gillan?
Na, does Sharon Gillan ddim o gael am ryw reswm cael. Dwi ddim yn gwybod pam, falle bod gyda hi digon o beth i wneud fel torri pethau eraill sy'n gwybod.